Mwangwaji. Mwangwaji wetu. How are you, my baby girl?
Dat is showing you. No. Dat is showing you.
Yeah, I'm with my family. I'm enjoying with my family. My FBO, number one. How are you, boy? Are you okay? You are with daddy, eh? You are enjoying with daddy. Wow. Wow. Wow, Mwangwaji, are you eat? Aibo. Don't eat that one. Yeah, don't eat. Don't eat.
Leef die drama en intrige in die skitterende tweede seisoen van Amalia. Sondag om 9 vanaf 18 Januarie.
Hierdie week op een spoor avonture. Ons groet Rooiberg